Hello friends, welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to make very special recipe of Aloo Tikki Burger that's everyone's favorite. And I will show you today how to make this recipe in a very easy way. So let's get started. I have taken 2 boiled potatoes and I have mashed it. Adding very finely chopped vegetables like carrot, chili, coriander, French bean, adding 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, adding salt as per taste, black pepper half tablespoon, chaat masala 1 tablespoon, mix it all well. Our mixture is ready. Now we can start the process of making tikkis. Take a portion of potato mixture, make it flatter, add it on the top of breadcrumbs. Nicely roll it. We have made the batter ready using all-purpose flour and water. I have used 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup of water. Now we'll add the second layer of all-purpose flour. Finally, adding some more breadcrumbs on the top. Similarly, we'll make more tikkis. Take a pan, adding butter to it. Now we'll add tikkis. Once the tikki turns golden brown from both the sides, it's ready. We can take this out. Same pan we'll be using for the bun. Preheating the bun is optional. Adding lettuce on the top. Add tikki after that. Adding 1 slice of cheese. Adding some tomato ketchup to it. If you like mayonnaise, you can add that as well. It tastes really good. Our Aloo Tikki Burger is ready. I hope you like my recipe. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.